Fuck off. This sucks too. Traffic is like so fucked up.
Who's beeping?
The car behind me, they want this car to fucking pull out and they can't pull out. Oh, and it was the fucking cop! And it's on my dash cam! What, bitch? Oh, you... Oh, yes! Yes, you stupid motherfucker! Oh, I love it! Oh, you stupid dick! Instant karma, motherfucker!
What are you doing?
Pass me instead of following my ass, you little bitch.
Hey, motherfucker. Who's a bitch when somebody comes up and spits in somebody's face? What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm just following you because you were going fucking fast.
Don't fucking follow me.
Fuck you.
And
Don't tell me what the fuck to do. What? That is a bitch-ass motherfucking move, dude. Dude, I'm telling you. Hey, motherfucker. Hey. What the fuck is wrong with you?
You know what?
That's some shit I could shoot you
I'm pretty much
for.
already dead. So kill me.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Let the cops come, man.
Fine.
Because I'm calling the cops because you just hit me in the fucking face.
Here. Come here. I ain't going nowhere.
Okay.
I'll stay right here.
Doing? Oh.
Yeah. Oh, road rage. Road rage. Oh, awesome. Now I have something to put on watch my dash cam for. It's fucking awesome. Yeah, this guy that thumbs up.
I'm sure that's satisfying for the guy in the truck, right? He's like, yes. Dumbass. It's like barely even hiding. Like, that cop car is pretty...
Motherfuckers. Oh, shit.